Fix Face ID is not available. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone is showing Face ID is not available, try setting up Face ID later. Then, firstly launch the settings application on your device and reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter a passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Also, check for iOS updates in your software update settings. Tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial to maintain optimal performance. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, open Apple Support on your device. You can open support from the application or from the browser. I will open from my browser. Here in the search bar, search for support.apple.com. Now tap on the iPhone option firstly and then scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the Get Support option and tap on that. Make sure you sign yourself in and now tap on More. You will see the option for Face ID there. Tap on that and then tap on the Face ID is not working option. Here scroll down to the bottom and beside Helpful, you will see an option for Yes or No. Tap on the No option. In the text box that appears, briefly explain your problem and tap on the Submit button. You can also tap on the Schedule a Repair option and schedule a repair of your device in the nearest service center of Apple. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.